tired of your 9-to-5 job and want to make money online? Look no further. In this ultimate guide, we'll show you how to go from zero to YouTube hero and start earning big bucks from the comfort of your own home. We'll cover everything from finding your niche and creating engaging content to growing your audience and monetizing your channel. With practical tips and insider secrets, you'll learn how to turn your passion into a profitable career on YouTube. Don't wait any longer to start your journey towards financial freedom. Watch this video now and become a YouTube hero. Finding your niche and developing your brand on YouTube. This topic would cover how to identify a topic or niche that you're passionate about and that has potential to attract an audience on YouTube. It would also cover how to develop a unique brand identity that sets your channel apart from others. Creating high quality and engaging content that keeps viewers coming back. This topic would cover how to create compelling videos that capture viewers' attention and keep them engaged from start to finish. It would also cover strategies for improving the quality of your videos, such as lighting, sound editing, and storytelling. Building a loyal and engaged audience through social media and other channels. This topic would cover how to use social media platforms and other channels to promote your YouTube channel and build a loyal following. It would also cover strategies for engaging with your audience, such as responding to comments and hosting live streams. Monetizing your YouTube channel through ads, sponsorships, and other income streams. This topic would cover different ways to make money from your YouTube channel, such as running ads, working with sponsors, and selling merchandise. It would also cover how to optimize your channel for monetization and maximize your earnings. Growing your channel through collaborations, cross-promotion, and other strategies. This topic would cover how to grow your audience and increase your reach through collaborations with other YouTubers, cross-promotion on social media, and other strategies. It would also cover how to leverage YouTube's algorithm to get more views and subscribers. Optimizing your channel for search and discovery on YouTube. This topic would cover how to optimize your channel and videos for search and discovery on YouTube, such as using keywords, tags, and descriptions effectively. It would also cover how to use analytics to track your performance and make data-driven decisions. Staying up to date with trends, algorithm changes, and other developments on YouTube. This topic would cover how to stay informed about the latest trends, algorithm changes, and other developments on YouTube, and how to adapt your strategy accordingly. It would also cover how to stay connected with the YouTube community and participate in relevant conversations. Developing your skills in video production, editing, and marketing to improve the quality and reach of your content. This topic would cover how to improve your skills in video production, editing, and marketing, and how to use these skills to create high-quality content that reaches a wider audience. Overcoming common challenges and obstacles faced by YouTubers, such as burnout, competition, and negativity. This topic would cover how to overcome common challenges and obstacles that YouTubers face, such as burnout, competition, and negativity from trolls and critics. It would also cover how to stay motivated and focused on your goals. Maintaining authenticity and transparency with your audience, and building trust over time. This topic would cover how to build a strong relationship with your audience based on authenticity, transparency, and trust. It would also cover how to handle criticism and negative feedback in a constructive and respectful way. SEO is the process of optimizing your videos and channel for search engines like Google and YouTube. This helps your content show up higher in search results and increases visibility to potential viewers. Some key elements of SEO include researching and using relevant keywords in video titles, descriptions, and tags, creating engaging and descriptive video thumbnails, and using closed captions or subtitles to improve accessibility and reach. Content strategy. A content strategy is a plan for creating and publishing content on your YouTube channel. It involves identifying your target audience and understanding their needs and interests. You should also research keywords and topics that are relevant to your niche, and create content that meets those needs. Your content strategy should also include a plan for the type of videos you'll create, how often you'll publish, and how you'll promote your content to reach a wider audience. Consistency and persistence. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. It's important to consistently publish high-quality content on a regular basis, and to persist through challenges like low view counts or negative feedback. You should also be willing to experiment with different types of content and adjust your strategy as needed. By staying persistent and dedicated to your channel, you can build a loyal audience and turn your YouTube channel into a profitable online business. This is how you can create a successful YouTube channel. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, then make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.